Alright, so what's going on, guys? So today we got a really sick PC build. I got a little bit too excited with building the PC that I didn't actually show off the parts. So in the description, there will be a whole part list and everything so that you can follow along if you want to know. If you want to use it for your build, you can look it up, you know what I mean? But yeah, I do have to shout somebody out because without him, this whole video wouldn't be a thing. At Long Live Neptune. Down in the description, go ahead and check him out. His YouTube, everything like that will be down there. Go ahead and check him out because, like I said, without him, this whole build would not be a thing. He's one of my clients. He let me take all the parts home, build it, and I gave it back to him. I do have, at the end of the video, a clip of the actual PC and his setup. So, no more rambling. Here we go. Let's get right into the build. I will say, go ahead and hit the like button if you do enjoy, and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Alright, I'm done. Promise. Okay, here we go.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
I know I didn't show it, but I went inside and I took it all off again, and then I took off the inside piece of plastic on both of these. I didn't know that they did that, but yeah, just so you know, just so if you're wondering, they're gone now. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to turn this baby on. Flip it on. That's a good sign. It's a very good sign. All right, let's go ahead and hit the power button. Ooh, okay. Please post. Damn, my screen's dirty. Please post. Please. Hey, here we go. Nice. All right, it posted.